I just finished my makeup and I think it ate.
Can you hear the angels singing masterpiece? Every day with you is heavenly. Wanna know if you need family. Wanna know if you need family. The angels singing masterpiece. Every day with you. You are the one who reigns from above. Because of you, the victory's won.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifuna if it's your first time here. So I'm about to start getting ready because we're going out today. Today I'm going to be doing a little like get ready with me and also a weekend vlog. I'm going out right now, or in a couple hours rather. I'm going for a like kind of a Valentine's brunch. It was kind of in the spirit of Valentine's Day, like to, you know, get together, which is really nice. I'm really excited to meet the other girls. The other ladies, sorry. I'm really excited to meet the other ladies that are going to be there. Let's actually start my makeup. If you guys cannot already tell, like my background looks different. Like, did you notice this? Like I gave my room a little facelift, which I am so excited for. Like, I just love the fact that my room looks much better. If you knew, like if you watch my old vlogs, you know like half of my room was pink and the other half was grey. It was just not it. So I changed the color of my room to white completely and it looks so much better. This is like one part of my room. Maybe I'll put videos here so you guys can see the full thing. Yeah, I'm really loving the look of my room right now. It's definitely giving classy, mature, you know. That was one thing I did, like I was really excited for this year. My friends came over actually, and they helped me to paint it. Like God bless them for real. Every time I have a lot to do in a day, or just actually like my Mondays to Fridays, they're pretty much the same. So I work with a schedule. So let me show you guys. It's actually called daily schedule, and I just like schedule everything I'm doing from 5:30 when I wake up till 10:30 when I usually go to bed, or I try to go to bed at 10:30. I just schedule my entire day. And then today as well, I had to make a schedule this morning because I feel like if I don't have a schedule, I just don't know what I'm doing in my life. So Miss Tolu is going to come to mine and then we're both going to drive together to the location. We're going to Spoon and Fork to eat, which is one of my favorite restaurants as well. You guys, I went to Spoon and Fork literally on Monday and here I am going back there again. But I love it so much, so I don't even care. Okay, I'm gonna start my makeup for a bit and then I'll come back and give you guys like a bit of chit chat.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet, teach her how to jump.
Oh, and you guys, I'm just even gonna say like while I'm here, let me just talk. Anyways, like if you're looking for a community, like it's really nice to join like community groups, because you never know like the people that you meet there, the relationships that you make, like especially if you're like in Canada, like whereas sometimes it's hard to find community, like if you don't have like a church that you go to, or even if you're in church, but like just, you know, meeting people, getting to know people, making friendships and building lasting connections is always good to like be in a community. So I'm really happy that I'm in Miss Tolu's mentoring school because I've met a lot of people. I don't know, like it's just nice to like, obviously even like this now, like we're all going to hang out and get lunch together. Like it's really cute, really exciting. So yeah, if you have the opportunity to join the community, please do it. I feel like it has a lot of benefits. And even this year especially, I'm really trying to do things outside my comfort zone. Like, I'm literally going for brunch with people that I have never actually met before, except one person, obviously. But at the same time, it's just pushing myself to try new things and, you know, just put yourself out there generally. I find that it's easier to complain that, oh, there's nothing to do, there's nowhere to go. But what steps have you actually taken to reach out to people, make time to even hang out with other people, right? That's something I really enjoy doing, and I'm just trying to be more intentional about it this year. So yeah, just being more intentional about my life, especially as an adult, like, because you can just find that time is passing by, and what have you done, like, what friendships have you made, what have you built outside your work life. Yeah, and you guys, honestly, one thing that I've actually realized this year that even like made me, like, motivated me to want to repaint my room, I just feel like your space can like affect your emotions, or like just your, you know, your vibe. It's like, it's just important to be in a space that you really like, you really enjoy. Like, since I redid my whole room, like, it's been so refreshing. Like, I love being in my own space. I love you know, oh, I have to just leave this for a while. See, I forgot what I'm doing. Okay, I have to let that sit. Let me go in with my concealer, no, my bronzer, my contour. Alright, hi guys, so we are almost done. I just finished my makeup and I think it ate. Okay, so now let me actually, I don't know what I'm going to do to my hair. Okay, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Is it cute? Is the hair giving? I feel like I'm still trying to get comfortable with having my hair like this, because obviously the locks haven't fully dropped and I'm like kind of shy, but it's still cute. You guys, I've lost so much weight. Like, my jeans are literally falling off. It is so bad, but I love it. I'm not complaining. Okay, yeah, anyways, let's go have some good food. Bye. I should be opening the door for you. It's okay, go ahead. Please. I can get it up for everybody. Go ahead. Thank you, ma'am. I feel like one. Like one here. How are you? I'm going to try to get plastic. Hi. How are you? Hi. I'm fine. Big it in, everyone. Good to see you. Say S7, is that the zoomest? Let me see. I don't think so. Okay, come to my side so you can join me. Yeah.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Yeah.
Sure. I'm not the best photographer, but I'll try.
I did what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
You guys, I don't know how Miss Tolu is so confident filming in public. I was even shy just being the person recording this because so many people kept passing. But yeah, this confidence is one I hope to have one day. Is the arrangements for me? Arrangements back to how it was.
room must be clean, please. I think it's all good.
Yeah.
Thank you, IKEA, for letting me borrow
Thank
your house. Fake life.
Free promo.
Fake life.
Hi guys, so I'm home right now. I'm really tired. So went to IKEA after Spoon of Work and just did like some shopping. I mean, Miss Tolu did some shopping and I just assisted her and got some content as well, which I showed you guys. It was so funny because people kept staring at us. So yeah, it was kind of awkward. But yeah, anyways, it was a successful day. It is past 8 right now. I'm going to just get my makeup off my face and go like do some work before I go to bed. And yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll continue this vlog tomorrow. I have church tomorrow and an event, actually, proposal. Should I add it? Maybe. All right, bye guys, see you tomorrow. Guys, this is what my car looks like right now. So I have the flowers, candles, zip ties. Actually, I don't even need these ties here. Just let me take them out. They're from the last event that I had. So in case you're new here and you don't know, I am an event planner, part-time-ish. I have an events planning business, decor, proposal as well. So if you're in need of an event decorator, someone to plan your proposal, please book me. Follow my Instagram as well at The Dream Proposals and at Greedy Events. But yeah, so here I'm just setting up. Typically it takes me about an hour to 2 hours to set up on a good day, but here I had a lot of help, which was so good, thank God. So yeah, it didn't take us that long to set up.